My concern is, I read over the Olmsted County financial reports for 2009, 2010, and the budget report. Plus, I've done some reading on some statewide issues as well. And these are the things I'd like to share with you today. This comes from your budget report. It shows that the property levies are continually going up. This is over a 10-year period of time. And the state income is going down. And you shouldn't be surprised by this chart because this is in your report. At the same time, the expenses for Olmsted County over the past 10 years has continued to rise. As you can see, these are numbers from your report that I graphed simply for the visual factor. Now you might argue with me, well, our population is going up, so our expenses are going up. Our construction is going up, so therefore the amount of property tax is going up simply because we get to tax more property. However, the trajectory of the building has gone continually down from $410 million to $120 million, as you well know. So your ability to tax property is decreasing, and that may not be the golden goose it used to be. Now, if you could make those arguments, and I could almost believe those arguments, the one thing that sticks for me is the rate of our property tax has continued to rise. And if I understand it right, your intention is to raise our property rate again as well. Now my concern is this. We have people who are on fixed incomes, who have lived in their homes for 40 years, who cannot afford to pay any more money for groceries, clothing, and gasoline. All those prices are going up. If their property taxes go up, they will no longer be able to afford to stay in their homes, and either then you will be forced to foreclose on them because they can't pay their property taxes, or they will have to voluntarily sell their homes and move to somewhere where they are less comfortable. They prefer to stay in their homes. So that is my contention is you cannot continue to raise property taxes on we the people who are on fixed incomes. The other item I have, if I have another minute, is on page 13 of your 2010 financial report that really offends me. And that is that you would prefer to have all of the budget paid for by property taxes rather than depend on the state revenue at all. That really offends me because that means you think you can tax us to no limit to pay for whatever it is you want. And if you want help from us, the citizens, to help you figure out where to make cuts, then by all means call on us, and we'd be happy to help you make those cuts. Thank you for hearing me.
Thank you.